crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John and it is December 1st. And how on earth did we already get through 11 months of the year? I can't believe that we've already celebrated Thanksgiving and we're well on our way to Christmas, right? It's just, I keep getting told, the older you get, the faster it goes. And guys, I don't know that I can keep up with much faster. It has just been crazy, but I am super, super excited. I was told by a fellow subscriber friend that I really needed to look at Lynne and the Soft Squares box. So I have for 2025. I ended up purchasing the box actually late. And late is, I mean, I purchased it in September, October. It showed up late October, early November. It's been sitting on the shelf. I've been super psyched to get to it. Interesting enough, compared to other boxes, right? Lynn did not spend the money in customizing and doing all that. It's just a brown, regular shipping box. But what I think is really cool is she took the time in her team to actually wrap things, box things up, all in different bags, paper, all that kind of stuff, right? So it's more like getting gifts from mom or your sister or whoever, and kind of the way that we put our gifts under the tree, right? In different papers, different packaging, different shapes. So not that necessarily commercialized, right? All together. So pretty psyched about it. Lynn also provided a nice welcome letter to talk about the box and what's in here. I did purchase box B, which is 25 days. So I'll be doing this December 1st through the 25th. Very anxious to see, since I've never purchased the box. It was $300+. So it's not one of the cheaper boxes out there. It's one of the more expensive, I think, boxes. She actually provides the value each day of what the retail value is and says this box is worth well over $600. I trust her. I believe her. If you've not watched her channel, she's a super lady to watch on softsquares.com. Her YouTube channel is fun. She always is laughing and carrying on about something, just very engaging. So she really has drawn me in as a new subscriber to her channel. And she's actually visited this channel as well, which is just awesome. That said, she also does her own unboxing in that every day as well. And you need to go over and look and see what she may have going on. It says this year's box is filled with goodies for quilters, as well as yummy treats, plus a contest. And to see what you need to do with necessarily day one, you've got to jump over there. I have yet to do that because I wanted to do my unboxing and not kind of have a bias. So we'll see if I did the right thing, but this is day one. Look at the little snowman. Again, just super cute. And let's jump in and see what softsquares.com has given us for day one. And so day one, is a nice, oh goodness, a nice vinyl plastic sleeve. They use these, a lot of offices and that use these, right, for stuff. So again, nice. I like this. I have actually never bought any of these clear holders like that. So kind of cool that we got that, but a lot of goodies inside. So the first thing is we got a Soft Squares sticker. Always nice to have some of the stickers. It says B-Box Day 1. Here's a nice selection of patterns to add to your collection. Merry Stars is a complementary pattern to Make It Merry quilt pattern. Both are written by the same designer, and I did a video series on the quilt earlier this year. So that is kind of cool. She did give us a couple of Villa Rosa patterns. You know, if you follow the channel, I'm a Villa Rosa fan. So Rui is the first pattern that she gave us. I actually have this pattern. I have not done this pattern, but I do have the pattern. She also gave us the pattern Puzzled, and that is by Molly Cook, I believe. Yes. And so another Villa Rosa pattern. I got a bingo card, so I'm going to have to jump over to her channel now and see how we're playing bingo. She also gave us Underwater Basket Weaving, and this is a pattern by Amanda Bauer, Quilted List, Explore, Learn, Create. And that's a pretty cute pattern. So I do like that. Definitely like, I'm not a blues person. I could definitely see doing that in the reds or purples, some other colors. But I do like that. I guess it made sense that she called it underwater basket weaving and did blues. I do really, really, really like this pattern, which is a table runner. It is called Mary Stars, and it's 63.5 inches by 21 inches. But I do like that pattern. It'll be interesting to see how that actually cuts out and how to put that together. It absolutely will not be done for this December, but could definitely be done for December of next year. So I do like that one. And then we got one from Amanda Needlehauser called Mod Stars, and it is a quilt pattern, and it is pretty cute as well. I like the cat logo. That's that mid-century cat logo, so I really like it. But I do like this pattern, so we will have to examine and spend some time there. And then she also gave us the Cut Loose Press, which is designed by Christine Van Buskirk. And I can't really share that with you because it's got the directions and all that on here, how to do it. But it also uses a template to cut out, which I don't know that I own that template. It's a triangle template, but I do own some, so I'll have to take a look. Oh, it's this is actually made to go with Creative Grids Scrap Crazy 6 templates. So I very well could own those because I've bought so many and I do like Creative Grids. So I'll have to go look and see if I have that. If so, it'll be really cool because now I have a pattern to go with it. And she did give us a pattern from Fabric Cafe. Well, it's not necessarily a pattern, it's on flange binding and how to do the flange binding, which I have not done. But interesting enough, AccuQuilt has a die to cut flange binding, and I have purchased that. So I would definitely like to do some flange binding because I do think it has an awesome look to it. So, guys, for day one, I technically got what, one, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7 patterns. Pretty awesome. And yeah, I know that you can say, well, um, Villa Rosa patterns are only a couple of bucks each. She values this first day at $60. I'd say she's probably close to being right on, right? Most of these patterns, this underwater is, I'm sure, a 10 or $12. This Mary Stars is probably another $10. This one's probably another $10. So right there, you're at about $30, $35 for just these three patterns. So I have started off very happy. I love patterns. I have decided not to purchase patterns for a while because I have a 4-drawer filing cabinet that is absolutely packed full. And so I decided I don't need to buy any more patterns, but if they're gifted to me and if they just show up, then what choice do I have? So very happy with day one. Definitely drop over and see what Lynn and her elves are doing as far as their unboxing and that. But again, I like soft squares. I like what Lynn does. I'm not affiliated with them. I'm not paid by them, and I paid full price for my box, just like anyone else that purchased them. So you will get my unbiased opinion. But for day one, 7 new patterns. Yeah, I'm pretty psyched about that. So, guys, thanks for dropping in. Thanks for being here. I hope you are ready for a merry and bright Christmas. And as always, until next time, happy crafting.